Welcome, friends. Did you know that God takes no delight in evil? That's what Paul said. Then Jesus told us even we lowly humans know good from evil. So we can conclude that when we see evil in the world around us, God isn't pleased. God's not even pleased when wicked people die, says Ezekiel 33:11. We have to understand this to mean He is certainly not pleased about the death of the innocent. You know, our planet hosts a vast array of natural disasters that each take multitudes of human lives in the most horrific ways. That religious bent in us all wants to find God responsible for these events, not to blame Him viciously, but to try to establish some meaning in an otherwise senseless happening. But if we're being honest with ourselves, if such an event is God's will, then it must be pleasing to Him when it occurs. He told us plainly that evil doesn't please Him. He doesn't cause it. He doesn't allow it. He has nothing to do with it. Godspeed, my friends.
Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, He's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.